sport mode and get some driving in. Not bad, bro. It's got juice to it, man. Look at that. Look, bro, it's got Autobahn in its name for a reason. I think the GLI could smoke a GR86. So giddy, like pep. It's got pep to its step. It's not fast, but I want to tune it so bad. I want to put a stage 1 tune at least. See what difference it makes. Stage 2, maybe. Traction control. It's not a bad 0 to 60, bro. It's not bad at all. That is not bad at all. I hit 70, dude. In like no time. It's fast. Like for what it is. Mind you, this car cost me almost 25 grand after everything. You can get this car for like 30 out the door probably. It's so much fun to drive. Bro, like I hit 70 so easily. Dude, I'm already beating up the car. But it's because I broke the 500-mile break-in if there is one. It's not a Z06 or anything, but I mean, I've driven fast cars for the majority of my life. And From Camaros, Mustangs to Corvettes. They're fun. And they're fast. But this is fun on a different, I guess, frequency. You have to just, like, I get it when people say it's fun driving a slow car fast than it is vice versa. Like, I get it, but look at that, 85. 6,000 RPMs. That's crazy, dude. For this car, don't get me wrong, I've driven faster cars. I feel like people need to understand that this is very, very fun for what it is. Don't forget, I'm in a Jetta, bro. I'm in a Jetta. Phenomenal. I should have went Golf R at this point. Damn, that car would have been fun. I don't know why I didn't. I don't know, I just wanted to buy something cash. Boy, 90. What the f... No. Your cabin. It's literally glued to the floor. Oh, no way, bro. No way. It's glued. That's impressive. That is really impressive. I don't know. Dude, I don't know. It's impressive. That's impressive. No, I gotta tune it. Alright, man. I don't care about warranty. Honestly, I'm gonna have to unlock stuff on this car and see what's the... Maybe put a big turbo on it. I don't know. I saw some crazy builds. We'll see. We'll see. Screw the rental car company. Who has time for that? Honestly, I just want to build like a crazy, put like drag radials on Jetta. You just have so much more money to have fun with it, you know? But I guess we'll see. I gotta call up some European tuning companies tomorrow, some shops, and see what they could do, you know? Very, very impressive, I will say. I mean, it can barely get traction, like right now. So, I'm not sure how I'm gonna get traction at 600 wheel horsepower or more. Definitely need more than a tune. I need like a downpipe, probably, obviously new tires. I need like everything, bro. I'm gonna have to replace everything for this thing to be able to handle that kind of power, because I'm spinning in what it is, like stock form. I'm spinning. You'll see the traction light light up, which is crazy. Look, I'm spinning. That's crazy. That's so crazy for the fact that this car is sub 30 grand. Dude. I don't know. Well, if you enjoyed this driving POV, be sure you drop a like, subscribe if you're new, and comment below your thoughts as always. And I'll see you beautiful bats in the next video.